How we looking? Yeah. Hold on, let me see if I got a nice background picture. Yeah. Hey, up there. We outside Grand Anse Beach campaigning, looking for more notice, more compliments, more followers on social media. And if you're enjoying the video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe, turn on post notifications, and let's make this walk down Grand Anse Beach. Let's try to sell a few bracelets, a few earrings, anklets, necklaces today. You know what I'm saying? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go. Yeah, dig. Hold on there, man. Hold on. I'm going to turn this to the car. That's it. How you looking, bro? Proper, man. You dig. Repping. We repping. That is it. Respect. Yeah, man. You outside. Heal up. Respect. Yes, sir. Respect. Up there. Sir, big up, brother. Taking a run, you know, it's a green lifestyle. Understand? Yeah, we're doing the damn thing. And make crafts, bracelets, anklets. There you go, we had to sell some crafts today, man. Walking past the lifeguards now. And yeah, guys, you notice that we're taking Visa, MasterCard, Connects. I think we've been doing it for 2 years now, right? Come and hold the camera so I get a better shot. Alright, miss, you wanna have a look? Crafts, bracelets, anklets, necklaces. Oh guys, take a look at the sunset. God damn. Heel up. Heel up. Heel up. Heel up. Well, I'm gonna bring it in closer. Let's talk. Let's talk for a little bit. Stick a pin, right? Take a pause. Be aware of imitations, guys. That's what the pause is all about. Be aware of imitations. This is what the authentic look like. The real. Anything else is fake. And made crafts, bracelets, anklets. Anybody should have a look? No good? Heal up. Afternoon, boss. Yes, sir. Alright. See, vibes. Greetings. Anybody should have a look at the crafts, bracelets, anklets. Yeah, guys. So you see, the hustle is for the hustlers, and the campaign is for the politicians. And right now we're campaigning like Deacon for more notice, more compliments, more followers on social media. Guys, follow me on Twitch. Follow me on Twitch, Greens here on Twitch. More content. Handmade crafts. Greetings, handmade crafts, bracelets, anklets, necklaces. So, see if I can come back at it.